Here's how you can withdraw money from your Bitget account to your bank, explained in a simple and casual way. First, open the Bitget app on your phone and log in. Once you're in, go to the home page and look for the More button. Tap that, then scroll until you see something called P2P trading and open it up. Before you can sell anything, you need to add your bank account so the buyer knows where to send the money. Tap the three dots in the top right, go to Payment Methods, hit Add, and then choose Bank Transfer. Enter your bank name, account holder's name, and account number, then save it. Double check all the details carefully. Mistyped account info can delay your funds or cause errors. It's also a good idea to make sure your bank supports instant transfers for faster withdrawals. Now, go back to the P2P section. By default, you'll land on the Buy page, but we want to sell, so tap over to the Sell tab. Pick the crypto you want to sell. USDT is the most common. You'll see a list of people buying. Look for someone verified. They'll have a little badge next to their name. Once you pick someone, hit Sell next to their offer. Enter the amount you want to sell. Make sure your bank account is selected as the payment method and confirm everything. After that, the buyer will send the money directly to your bank. When you see it in your account, confirm that you received it and the crypto will be released to the buyer. If Bitget's P2P isn't working or the rates aren't good, you can always transfer your crypto to another exchange, like Binance, and withdraw from there. This might take a bit longer, but it's often safer and faster depending on your region. Always make sure you deal with verified buyers, check all transaction details twice, and stay aware of any fees to avoid surprises. For extra safety, avoid rushing transactions and always double check the buyer's reputation before confirming any sale.